Simple bubble toys review.
Play and learn.
Hey. Welcome to Little Poppins Toys Review. Today we're opening Super Wings Mission Teams
Transformer bots.
Tries really ultra well.
This pack comes with 4 characters. We have Jeff on the red, Paul, who's a police, transform bot, and then we have Astra and Donnie. Do you like watching Super Wings?
Yeah.
Let's open them. So are you going to share the toys?
Yeah.
Which one is Devansh going to take?
I'm using Jett and Donnie. Hey guys, look. First they're an aeroplane, then they transform like this.
The kids can play like this, and when you want it to come back to a character, as you see in Super Wings, you just need to pull this out.
Look at this. It's a plane. Right now,
Their legs here, you just need to pull it out. Can you make them stand together, and we'll take one more picture?
I'm Jett. On time, every time.
I'm Astra, your star from far.
Hi Astra, are you a star? Rock star. Yeah, and she can transform into a aeroplane.
I'm Donnie. I like to invent.
Ooh, a scientist? Are you a
chemist.
scientist or inventor?
Inventor.
Okay, can you show how he transforms? Ooh, hi Donnie. Look, he even has a binoculars on the head.
Yeah. You can even open up these flaps.
Ooh, nice.
Look nicer.
Yeah. You like Donnie because he's an inventor?
I like Donnie because of his look and how he talks. And he has little bunny teeth also.
Oh,
It goes outside.
Hi, I'm Paul. I take charge as a policeman.
Ooh. What does the police do?
Catch it, bad people.
Yeah, they protect the law of the country, right?
The law of the country.
And make sure that everyone's safe.
And make sure that everyone doesn't lose their money or get stolen by.
Or even safeguard people with their life, right?
Ooh, look, he's
Do you like to join the police department, Gudiya, when you grow big?
yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Look, he even has flashing light.
So do you like Super Wings?
Yep.
What is the best part of Super Wings you like?
That they rescue people.
Oh, nice. They're mission teams, right?
Yeah.
You want to go see the Super Wings now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Bring your characters with you.
Time to go. Oh, Jett, you got the vision to complete the mission. Fly so high, watching in the air. He'll get your package there. You are the plane to get the call. You are the plane who does it all. Super Wings. Oh, stop it, Jett and Dizzy, Donnie and Jerome. Super Wings, let's go. Going around the world, helping boys and girls. Super Wings, Super Wings, Super Wings.
Hey guys, did you know that the Super Wings is actually a real mission team?
Yeah, they are real. They are inspired by real flight rescue teams.
Watch more to learn about the real rescue team.
Yeah, the real super wings.
Jett likes to deliver packages around the world.
To children and helps in fixing them up. Donnie is orange and blue plane who can invent things with his tools. He is very skilled in solving problems, complicated machines. Paul is a police aeroplane who specializes in directing traffic and guarding World Airport at night. Jerome is a male acrobatic war jet plane who's good at dancing and stunt flying. Astra is Super Wing space plane who leads Galaxy Wings team including her brother Astro. Dizzy is a female rescue helicopter. Mira is green and white female plane that can go underwater, just like flying submarines. Bello is Jett's companion who delivers across the globe, with large brown airplane zebra patterns painted, just like safari type airplane. Todd is a brown super wing who has a drill on his nose and wears hard hat. Flip is a red plane whose specialty is sports and is a big fan of Jett and super wings. Rusty antique plane who is still young at heart.
Time every time. Thanks for watching.